The lighting is so good. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. It's Friday and I'm supposed to go to lunch with my friend Uzamaka. Low key, I tried to push it because it's been raining. And you know how Lagos gets when it's raining, right? Like everywhere will be flooded, there'll be a lot of traffic. But she's about to have like a very busy couple of weeks and I don't know when next I'll see her. I'm about to get ready. We're going to this new restaurant called Slow. I don't know if I want to wear makeup today. I wanted to take pictures, but I don't know if I always like natural light in my photos, but it's a bit gloomy today. I don't know if I want to do like the whole picture thing, so I'm just going to wear something cash. I'll keep you guys posted on how my day goes. Almost forgot I was vlogging. Uzamaka just got here. Our lunch was supposed to be for for 2 p.m. but she just got here at 2 because there's a lot of traffic. I'm wearing this very cute dress. I just didn't want to do too much today. My room is a mess, but my screen is here, so it'll be better when I come back. So I feel like it's when someone tells you that they are downstairs in the house, like you remember that, oh, I haven't worn perfume, oh, I need to pee, all that stuff. But yeah, I didn't waste time. The lighting is so good. Let me go to Okay, hi guys. This is my beautiful Uzamaka. She's going to be shy, but look at this beauty. Oh my god. See me, oh, I had to do makeup, because I wanted to take pictures and all of that, but look at somebody's skin. Oh god. Oh my Jesus. Oh, we're going to lunch, we're going to Slow. Every time you call these guys, they tell you that they're fully booked. But we could get a spot today for lunch at 2 p.m. But guess what the time is? 2:53 p.m. And we're just on our way. I mean, we've been on our way for like 30 minutes, but there was a lot of traffic because it rained and I almost cancelled because I just wanted to sleep in bed. We'll show you guys how it goes and we'll give our honest opinion about it. You're so beautiful, Jesus. It's meant to what?
It's meant to whet your appetite and also a palate cleanser.
Ah, so you drink it and then you're hungry.
Something like that. It makes you want to eat.
It makes you want to eat. Yes. So spend more money. It's meant to whet your appetite, yeah. Shall we? But we haven't even ordered, so what if we get...
Can I go?
Yes, you can. Thank you. It's really very good. Oh. This is our damage, guys. Did you say damage? This is how you feel after a very good lunch, guys. So good. So Okay guys, so I loved everything about this place and would definitely be coming back. I highly recommend if you have the funds, to be honest, because sheesh, it's so pricey but totally worth it. So this is the one plant that Casey has taken care of, as I've killed everything else in this house, and look what happened.
My God, you guys, this is a new child. It's always such a beautiful thing to see your children give birth to more children, because the Bible said that your
Hi guys, so good morning.
Morning.
From Casey and I. Today is beach day. Casey is ready obviously, and I'm still like dressed like a whatever they call it. Anyway, it's Kachi's birthday. We're going to the beach and I invited Tochi. You guys already know Tochi. She's going to be late, but Casey is ready. I'm just gonna wait for Tochi. But yeah, that's the itinerary for today. It's gonna be so much fun. Let me tell you what Casey's wearing. If you are going to the beach, 2 tips. One, obviously you have to have an outfit that you're wearing from the house, you know, to the jetty or whatever, and then you have your bikini. Then if you're feeling a little bit extra, you can pack a 3rd outfit for like to change when you're coming back from the beach. I'm just packing 1 outfit, one to the beach and then my bikini, because I really can't be bothered this morning. But yeah, see you guys soon. Let me go shower because I just like to touch it. I was ready, but I'm not. Okay guys, so I tried to film a get ready with me beach day look, but I was so out of time and I couldn't complete it. But I typically do not wear makeup to the beach, so I just love to hydrate and wear a lot of sunscreen and a bit of highlighter. I'll be sure to film a proper tutorial on my next beach day. Guys, after all my Tochi, come early. She came and she had to wait for me. Can you imagine that? Where's the food? So now I'm late. Say NayLiving. Oh my gosh, you guys, this beach house is so pretty. Perfect, like Lagos living. Birthday boy over there. We're going to have so much fun! I forgot my tripod. Sissy, say hi. Here with my baby. Somebody just told Casey nice house. Okay,
Can't you eat all this? Why is Casey there right now?
yeah.
I said it now.
Guys, so I just changed to my bikini because I want to get in the pool. I don't know, let me show you guys. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put her Instagram handle. It's yummy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's the very first episode of NayLiving. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and most importantly, share this video. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next episode of NayLiving. Bye.